Welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about the stock prediction of DMart for November and December 21 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will check the fundamentals of DMart. Then we will see like what our machine learning algorithm predicting about DMart for next few weeks or months. Then we will do the manual analysis of the same using some charts, OA and FA and DA activities. So this is a DMart introduction. So we know like DMart is a very large cap company with more than 3 lakh crore market cap, and its current price is around 5082, and it have an all-time high of 5900, and its stock P is 240, which is a little bit higher, but as we check the P of its peers like a Vmart or Trend and all, its P is trending more than double than this, so it's fine. And DMart have around 234 stores across 11 states across India. And these are the quarterly results of DMart. So we can see like its sales are keep on improving, and it's a very good number, especially after COVID. And its operating profit also good one, and profit before and after tax is also good looking, and it's keep on improving over the quarters. And this is the sales. So we can see like sales also keep on improving over year by year, and operating profit also is good, very good after COVID, and profit before and after tax also is a good one. So we can see like DMart is a right candidate for short term and long term investments. So this is the data we have taken into the algorithm. So we have taken data from 2017 March 21st. This is the day when DMart is listed, and we have taken data till 2021 11/8. So we can see like from the date of listed, DMart is keep on going up, and it's already given around 15 to 20% return from the listing date. So this is what our algorithm is predicted. So what is there in blue is like what our we give data into the algorithm, and what is there in green is like what algorithm is predicted, and what is there in orange is what actual price of DMart. So we can see like what is predicted and what is actual price of DMart is almost matching, and what is there in red is what algorithm is predicted for future. So as per algorithm, there might be a little bit correction from this current price, and then after that we are expecting a rally till it's a all-time high like 5900 or 6000. So this is one. So current price is around 5030. So algorithm is expecting like there might be a correction to 4800, then after that there will be a rally to 5900 or 6000. So we can enter either around above this point like above 5100, or we can enter around 4800, around just above 4800. And then we can set a target, first target we can set around 5500 might be the first target we can set, and second target we can set as 6900, no, 5900 or 6000. So this is a daily candlesticks chart we have taken from chart link. So we can see like DMart is keep on moving up either along with 20 moving average, or around along with 50 moving average, and multiple times we can see DMart got support either at 20 moving average or at 50 moving average. Most of the time it's moving along with 20 moving average. So currently 20 moving average is around 4700. So maybe in a week it may be like 4800. So either we can enter at this particular price 4800, or we can enter as a safe side, we can enter above 5100, and first target we can set as 5500 at this particular point, and As this is closed, we can set a second target as 5,900 or 6,000. So this is a weekly candlestick chart. So we can see like weekly candles is moving almost along with the 10 moving average. So we can enter either at this point like 4,800 or above 5,100 and set target as 5,500 and second target as 6,000. And this is OA data we have taken from Opstra. So here we can see like compared to yesterday, our put sell is much reduced and call sell is much higher. So this week Nifty might do some correction. It might come down to 18,000 or 17,900 and then it may be go up. And this is data for 25th November, like a monthly close. So monthly close is giving like put option sell is much higher than call option sell, and there are some resistance around 18,250 and 18,500. So by end of November we are expecting Nifty might cross around 5,250 or some not above this line. So we are expecting a good movement in Nifty in this week and next week. So this is the FIA and DA activities in NSE. So here we can see like we discussed in last videos as well, like there was a huge sell happen in October mid and October last week after Nifty touch 18,600, but after that things has been improved. The sell is much lesser, and FIA and DA started buying as well. So upcoming week we are expect a boom in Nifty 50 as well, and November 16th data is somewhat lesser compared to the other. And this is monthly FANDA activity. So we can see like there was a huge sell happened in October, but after that in November FANDA started buying. So, so we are expecting the same buy will happen in upcoming weeks of November and December. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any recommendations to analyze any stocks, please put in comments. So have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.